The PD Bio major has two different emphases. One is a physiology emphasis, and the other is a developmental biology emphasis, thus PD Bio. Physiology basis is concentrating more on how your body works, systems within your body, how they function, how they're organized, how they'll interrelate with one another. Whereas developmental biology is more the formation of these organ systems based upon a genetic and proteomic level, how these interact during development in order to give a viable organism. Oh, there's quite a few different types of careers that a PD Bio major can expect to encounter. A lot of these have to do with some kind of directly scientific interaction. So working in a lab, and that can be done either in the government level or in the private sector, like with a pharmaceutical company or with a chemical company. Also in academia, you can expect to have lab technicians and workers there, and also interacting on the academic level to teach and mentor students. It could also span things that are not directly involved in science, but more healthcare and medicine. A lot of our PD Bio majors go on to graduate degrees, whether that be a PhD, a doctorate, a master's degree, or in some kind of healthcare field like dentistry or the medical profession. So PD Bio, you can get a career with just a degree in PD Bio, but it also sets you up to go on to another level of education and promote you at that level. So I think one of the biggest skills that as a PD Bio major is you will understand the interaction that needs to occur on a chemical level and on a kind of a biophysics level within your body and how your systems work together. I often describe it as this, is that we take a lot of different disciplines like chemistry, physics, cell biology, and we put it together to help explain how the body works. As you integrate some of these things, it makes a little bit sense, like why you learned that in physics. This is why it's important, or why you learned that in chemistry. This is why it's important in terms of maintaining physiological homeostasis and maintaining life. And so I think that's one of the things you can expect, is to just generate a greater appreciation for the way that life works. Well, I think the one big thing is that we focus a lot on the organism, whether that be humans or animals, whether they be mammalian or not mammalian. And I think that this is kind of the beauty of the PD Bio major, is that these things that you'll learn are directly applicable to each student or each individual, that these kind of facets of physiology help explain life. And so I think kind of the expectation and one of the bonuses of PD Bio is that it allows us to better understand how humans, all these things are eventually going to feed back to our understanding of human life, and help us to understand how to prevent disease, as well as understand the pathology of certain diseases. If you are interested in how life works, or how your body works, or how your body is formed, I think this is the major for you. It will give you a greater appreciation of these things. I think that it has a relatively wide breadth where we focus on chemistry, biochemistry, anatomy, and kind of tie all that together in physiology and developmental biology for our understanding how life really works. So if you're interested in how life works, I really think that this is probably the major for you.